how to make your fragrance last all day. You're going to start with Nourish Organic Almond Vanilla Body Lotion. As you apply it, you want to make sure that you get it on your pulse points where you usually apply your perfume, like the inside of your elbow and your neck. So next you want to use your favorite vanilla or vanilla-based perfume and apply it to your pulse points on top of the Almond Vanilla Body Lotion. This combo smells amazing, and what layering the two does is it makes your fragrance last a lot longer. It brings out richer notes and it enhances notes in the fragrance, and because you're layering vanilla lotion with vanilla fragrance, the two combine and it makes a magical combo. The organic aloe vera makes it absorb in really well, but the scent lasts all day. The almond note adds that something special that blends beautifully with your fragrances.